Hi Brilliance, this is Monique Sibonga, one of the official participants of Project Kins 2024 by Brilliant Skin Essentials, and this is our week 10 on our Project Kins journey, and this is my daily routine. And now, let me show you kung ano nga ba yung skin condition ko then and now using Brilliant Rejuvenating Set. Before, as you can see, napakagaspang talaga ng aking face. Grabe yung acne breakout ko that time. Sobrang lala ng itchiness ng face ko that time. To the point na nakakaiyak na talaga dahil sa sobrang kate niya at nakakahiya talaga makipag-usap sa mga tao dahil sa skin condition na meron ako. And then, when I started using Brilliant Rejuvenating Set, as you can see, gumaling talaga yung face ko na wala yung acne breakout and itchiness. At kung mapapansin nyo, wala na ring redness at unti-unti na nag-fade ang aking mga acne mark. Thanks to Brilliant Rejuvenating Set. And this is the reason why I love using Brilliant Rejuve Set. It minimizes my pores, it brightens my skin, and it smoothens my skin. Ngayon, mas napansin ko na glass skin na nga at smooth ang aking face. Nawala na rin yung redness and itchiness ng aking face. Mas napansin ng mga ka-work ko na nag-effect talaga sa akin yung Brilliant Rejuve Set dahil nga nawala na yung acne breakouts ko. At mas naglalighten na talaga yung mga acne scars ko. And that's it for our week 10 update here on Project Kins 2024. Thanks guys for watching!